Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to power off this device. So in this video I will show you some couple of methods to power off this device. The first one, tap and hold on the power volume up button and the lock button. Now you can see the window for switch off this device. Now on the top you can see the message slide to power off. For this, tap on the power button and slide like this. Now the device is switched off. To restart the device, tap and hold on the power button for a couple of times. Then you can see the Apple logo and it will easily restart. You can see, right? Yeah, it's restarted. And the second method, tap and hold on the volume down button and the lock button. Now also you can see the same window to power off the device. Okay, this is the second method. And the third method, if you press and hold on the lock button, now the Siri will open. This is not for the power of this device. So the third method, press on the volume up button, then release, then press the volume down button, then release, then press and hold the lock button. Let me show you. Press on volume up button, then down button, then press and hold the lock button. Now you can see the window for power off the device. Then the fourth method, just tap and hold on the power button, then the Siri will open. Then you can easily say, "Hi, hey Siri, power off my iPhone." Let me show you. Press and hold the power button, then "Hey Siri, power off this device." Then the fifth method, go to settings, then tap on general, then scroll to bottom. You can see the option shutdown. Tap on this one. Now you can see the window for power off this device. So in these 5 methods, you can easily switch off this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye.